Alright. Let's see. Working? Cool. Alright. Say I'm live. This says I'm live. Next streaming software to go live. Oh, there it goes. I think that's working. Yep. That down a little bit. Yeah. It's been a while since I've done this. See how long I make it go on for today. I'm just doing random things. Okay. I think it's working. Alright. Let's see here. Okay. That. Sure Discord isn't getting picked up just in case. I think we're good. We'll not dropping any frames. Alright. Oh wait, can I chat here somehow just in case someone shows up? Let me see. I'm thinking there used to be in OBS. Do 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 do. Ah, there we are. Got it. Cool. Just in case someone shows up, I can actually see chat. Boom, there we go. Closing some things out. Perfect. Okay, so I'm going to be working on a pirate game here. And this is an open world pirate game. And I'm just going to be working on controlling the ship right now. That's all. Just doing some Unity code, some C# code with this, and trying to learn here best I can. That out of there. All right. Okay. Do 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 do. So we're going to start with, I want to play really control the ship. The first thing to do is set up interaction. This here. And so let's go ahead and get a few of the items on the shore here that I'm going to need to test this. Oh, as texture did not load in. I'll have to fix that later. Do, 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 do. Meshes and objects sometimes do not save. That's an easy fix though. So I can go here. Free material should be. Yes, there we go. ahead and take a look. So I have items. Where did I put those? I have some items that I can already pick up. So I'll kind of show you what I have already for the game. It's not much. It's really early on, but we have. Looks like I accidentally pushed all these up by accident somehow. Saw that. But anyway, I have just some movement in there and some item management. And oh, here they are. And some basic inventory management. So let me grab those items here. I'm going to drag them over to the boat, which is offshore. Over there. Oop. Go ahead and set these up on the boat here. And I will find maybe a little crate that can put them on. Table. Let's go to here, prefabs. Do search for table. I don't even know what I have. Yep, something good enough. Put over here. And this needs to be underneath. I need to organize the ship a little bit more. Let's do ports. And ports. Alright, so I'm gonna there's all these little parts the boats are made out of here. I'm gonna go ahead and try to organize these. Create another one. All just details. And you can create these like folder-like objects here in Unity where you can create things kind of like you would in Arma editor. All this, yeah, let's do that, and then I will go ahead and make that a folder icon. Go ahead and make that a folder icon. That a folder icon. Okay. Details will go in there. And we'll okay, one more. We'll call it walkable. This would be things that the player can walk on. That should be so here that aren't details. That usually will have physics. Door frame assemblies, yeah, like these will be underneath. Door frame assemblies are going to be underneath details. We should probably have a doors one as well on here. That. Falcon. Walkable. Some more doors. Flagpole. Oh yeah, flagpole's definitely a detail thing. Foremast. I had one for mast. It didn't. I think all these hinges. Pretty sure I could probably make this all a single object. Well, maybe we want them to be destroyed, so maybe not actually. Let's not do that. Well, maybe. We'll see. Right now, we'll just put it in the details section. The streaming is, even if no one's watching or talking, it always helps me focus for some reason. I always really enjoyed it. They're all walkable, interactable. We'll call this, yeah, that makes sense right now. Heal. What's this? Oh, it's like a bottom part to, oh, it's that part. That should just be attached to that anyway. Underneath, walkable. Oh, these are lines, lines, lines. These are all details for now. They should be any mass, but well, we can always go back and reorganize some of the deck. Walkable. Watercolor up at the top. Empty, we'll call it characters. Be for any characters that are actually currently attached to the ship. This should work. We're gonna have to find out. Terminate window crooked. We're going to go ahead and put that in details. That's quite a shift in the song. Bing, bing. Okay, how do I close? Ah, Alt, okay. These are also the walkable. I see, that should also be unlockable too. Jump on that. We're gonna want to stand on that, so. Yep. Rudder, which I think should be its own object, that's fine. Stairhole. Definitely details. Oh, this is, yeah, this is detail that I might need later. Right now I'm gonna move this support pole. To the side for right now. Might use that later. We have 3 walls here, which also do need to be set up correctly later. Okay, and front interaction, back interaction. Yeah, we'll create a new thing called water interaction. just like that. Oh. Attachments. Okay. Now that this looks much better, I'm going to go ahead and we'll save this actually after all that work. And I'm just going to go ahead and finish up this over here now, because now we have this table, which I can easily know where to put it now. And I can go up, 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 up. Scene and going, okay, this is going to be part of the ship. We'll put any attachments. And then I'm going to put all of these things as well. I'm going to go ahead and scroll up to the boat. Here. I can just this as a child. Go and reset their position. I can this. Sword that the player can use. There. Here's my first starting backpack. That's probably the backpack that you start with. Very small inventory. That may be. Get some more coins, which I'll just go ahead and put down there. Stack these up. I haven't tested the inventory system in a while, so let's see if it's still working. Just stacking these coins up on top of each other. I think that's all the items right now that I want to test. And I am going to go in here and make sure that they don't right now move around. This is... Oh. Okay. Let's hit play and just see what happens. Oh. No. Yeah. Interesting. So the physics is still loading. The physics of those items, it was not happy about. Oh no. So let's go ahead and undo that. So what we're gonna do, make sure it's not the player, some of those changes. I'm gonna disable these objects for right now. I'm gonna hit play again. It takes a minute to load the objects, so. Well, the game, when it first starts, it takes a second to load in, especially once I start looking around, so you gotta give it a second. I don't have any loading screens coded in yet, so. Okay, let's see, it's the boat. There we go. Boat is, oops, there we go, still working great. The sails are down. We do have cloth physics enabled on this, just like there's like no wind right now. Lighting's doing okay, the doors aren't working yet. Run around the hole. Water's not down here, which is good. Let's take a look at the water. Yeah, we're just sitting still. It bumps in the water. Oh, I don't have physics on that yet. There. There, sweet. Okay, so I need to see what I'm gonna do here is I'm going to very quickly enable this and see if that's I was tipping it, does not. Enable the coin. Doesn't start tipping it either. There's something to do. Enable all these items at once, what happens? The whole thing starts to stink. Oh! Ah, the mesh is impacting. Okay, so even though we have is kinematic enabled, it shouldn't be. Oh no, stop it! That's funny. Oh, now it's starting to rain. Let's see here. I mean, if I felt to not be kinematic, this is probably not going to end well. Right. I'll have to add some code because if the boat starts moving, these are going to start falling off, I think. So. Trying to see how I would change it. Anyway, right now this is fine. So we have these items we can pick up, move around. Don't have too much set. I think I messed them up because they're supposed to have their kinematics is being set when it shouldn't be on them. Oh, is it setting it to the parent object? Ooh. Yeah, that might be an issue actually. If I detach this completely. Oh, no, that's not the issue. Okay. What coin is this? What am I editing here? Oh, it's that gold coin there. Okay, let me see. Yeah, okay, so they're attached to something else. Okay, I'll have to change up that code a little bit. Right now, let's see if I can equip this at all. I can, so I can open my backpack. Can I put these in my bag? Yes. Oh, look at that, because I'm on a moving ship, it's a little shaky. Oh, that's interesting. Okay, can I equip this? I hit one, yep. Okay.
Bring a tankard filled with grog and join our merry mob. We're stumbling to the docks and we're leaving land behind. For on the ship with sails, we'll ride upon the sea. We're counting you and me now. 1, 2, 3. For on the sea of thieves, we sail as we please, hunting for treasure again.
All right, so now we got to change up some interaction code. Let's test this out. Okay, so let's fix this issue first. So, a couple issues. One is the physics of the objects. Better name these.
Let's fire all our guns just for fun. For on the sea of thieves, we sail as we please, hunting for treasure again.
do. First, let's see if that fixes it. Let it load, let it load. Okay, so here's all the code for the player. And so the issue is that these objects are now on the boat, which is fine. But you can see as I pick them up and move them around, some of my code doesn't work, where the objects are supposed to have physics enabled on them again. And that's not happening. Now we fixed it at least where it's not, they're not sinking the ship. When they're on the ship, I don't want them to have physics enabled. Unless right now it's just where you put them is where they just need to stay. So if I put it there, but I also want them to have physics enabled and they need to fall and then disable again after a short while, right? Otherwise you can just like that, or just floating, and that's not what we want at all. So let's go ahead and fix that. Let's see here. Love that. Then we can work on this, because this is going to relate to this issue over here of being able to move items. I mean, the backpack works nicely. I mean, this bug right here has got to get fixed. That's jittering because the ship is moving up and down. And then, so this coin is, I think, translating that. I'm not sure. We're going to work on that. I'm going to put these back to be... Oops! You can see there's some issues that need to be addressed. Okay. Let's address these issues. Yeah, so if they're kinematic, they need to exclude layers. I'm thinking right now is that these are giving the, well, let me look at the code. Up the code here. Let's see. Ah, okay. First, let's see about picking up things. So we have the inventory drop button press, inventory button check, close inventory open and close action. Have an interact, have a look check function here. Okay. Nothing in here. I think that would be it. It is going to be, I think, under interaction when you actually go to pick it up, but not if you're currently looting. So if we have left mouse button, so that part works. So it displays the text of the interaction, what we can do with them, and then it picks it up. Cool. add interaction texts to the object. Object, rotate object up and down so it will be changed. Hold. Automatic true. Okay. We need to also exclude the layers. Some verses. Okay, so let's grab this. Let's actually comment this out. Get the rigid body of the object we are holding. This is going to be set the body be animatic. This disables default physics interactions, so we can move the object. Tell our own code that physics are currently disabled on the object. Exclude the object from colliding with any layer as long as it is a static object. This prevents the object from sinking. This is kind of a shotgun method. I probably should go back and add a layer. It's called ship. And then it just doesn't interact with anything called ship. So it doesn't cause any weird issues, but I'm gonna ignore that for now. Change the crosshair to indicate to the player we are grabbing the item. Okay. If the object currently has... Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and... Oh shit. Wrong button. Never mind.
Just ask the souls who came before. Those poor forgotten sailors.
Let's see where I enable this here. Starts true. It's set back to true. And look away. Seem good. We'll come back to that. I don't want to start changing code and have issues. Okay, so this is if my left mouse button is being held. Okay. Or what if I let go of the left mouse button? This encompasses... Interesting. Right. It's under the look check. If not left mouse button of current object looking at, no. Disconnect is false. Okay, here we are. I think this is where it's executing. We're gonna go ahead and hit play on this. I can do some debug code while we're in there.
A ship, she dreams of wind in her sails, of wind in her
Oh shit.
sails,
Disable those objects.
unfurled and
That load.
shining as we cross the sea, we cross the sea for
Good
her.
ending.
Then we'll all raise.
Different song. Load in. Whoops. What happened? They're excluding everything. Whoops. Error in the code here. That way. See, it's actually kind of pushing. Oh, see, yeah. Ooh, maybe it is. Yeah. Oh, look at that. That's pushing the player up. That's not good. Let me make sure I'm selecting the right coin because I want to see its values update in real time on the right. Yeah, so there's everything, and then I let go. It stays to everything, yeah. And now it's not letting me use it to... Then I can also lose it by abusing it like that. That coin back. Okay, that's my test coin, so alright. So... I am going to currently held object. Okay, I must be interacting with it up here. This right here, I think this is my handles. So I'm going to do debug.log, let go. So when I let go of the left mouse button, we should get a debug console layer down here. Leverage by attached to characters game object. Oh. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. It's for right now. Letting go left mouse button, and I'm not getting that. Okay, so it's not that. When I let go, then why does this? Oh, shoot! There's the coin. Oh. Okay. That's not where. Interesting. It was just kind of broke, I think. Left mouse button. So I need to add in here. Else if. Okay. Hi. Aquam, hello. Saw what you said there. I'm just so focused on this here. Fixing error. Oops. Yeah. We need to do a check. Not left mouse button. It's not null, because once we do this. If I move this further up here. That first. Oh, that's going to fix it. Something's not right about that. Yeah. Definitely. I definitely loaded it. Got it. Even running. Running? Looks like this should be here. Let's do some more debugging here. Debug, log A. How far we get? E. C. D. Okay, so the problem we're having is when I pick up this object, I want it to have physics enabled again on it. And it's not doing that. So we're going to fix that, and it's because the pickup code I have is, the way it's set up is a little complex. I'm gonna go ahead and just comment this out because it's not a good line right now. And I don't wanna just create redundancy, so look at this. So we're getting right now, I'm looking at this, we're getting A, B, and E is executing. A, B, E. So the current looking at dot parent, if it's equal to null, then it would be doing C and D. Right? Picking it up, moving around, and while moving it, nothing is happening. So this is not the right place to do this, because that's where not actively grabbing something. Well, no, because it should be when I let go of the left mouse button. What I should be doing is this is tricky. Looking at old code you did a while ago is always a little confusing. This is in the raycast as well, which yeah, I think right here is where I need to put that code, so I think I see where I need to put it, right here. You're going to get rid of this else if. Should be doing a little bit. Some code here. Just want to see if we start getting a few frames of grace with this thing before it undetects the object. Player should just be. Let it load. Let it load. While it's loading, I'm gonna turn on my oven. Let's see if we can do a little bit more. I might go play a game soon. let's see here. So we have a lot of false down there. Going and grab it. I'm focusing. Hi, Frank. I'm just coding. Yeah, this is my secret boot when I want to just code and not be distracted. Yeah. Hey, what are you doing? I mean, Discord's pretty private as it is. Yeah. Doing good, man. How you doing? You eating food? It's fine. No. No, says Frank. You know, says Frank. He knows, yep. Trying to fix this bug, dude. Yep. Trying to... When I pick up things, yeah, they don't fall. And then I was having an issue with how the physics are set up, is that if I put these coins or any object into the boat, it actually would sink the boat. Because when they're on the boat, I want physics to be disabled on them. And if you do that, they get like, the other physics of the boat thinks that this is like, you know, a solid object it can't move across because it has a rigid body attached to it. There's no way to just disable the rigid body to remove it and add it, which you don't want to do. What I can do though is have it, right now why it's not crashing the boat, the boat is because I have it, the physics ignoring here under exclude layers everything. And when you pick it up, move it around, it should be excluding everything. You let go, the physics should re-enable and it should fall, and then re-enable itself later. So I'm trying to get it when you pick it up and you let go, it falls. And physics get re-enabled. And I had that working, and then it stopped. So I'm just trying to fix that bug right now. Could be, well, yeah, there is definitely some issues with that, because like if I grab this backpack, oops, I'll see, there's some weird issues that happen with the backpack's now colliding with me while I'm on the, on the boat. And this is all fixable stuff, but here to this guy. Yeah. Oh yeah, it should be excluding me. With the ship, yeah. It's weird, it's actually, this issue right now was not doing that just a second ago, so I'm not sure why it's doing that now. Even if I push it out, whoa. What the hell's going on with that? What? Most of them stuck here. Mine down here now. What? What? Okay, I don't know what's causing that issue. Do with these objects here, maybe. Wait, oh, is this because of the movement of the... That's weird. Anyway, you can see when I hold things, like it's a little shaky because I'm constantly moving as a player. So I'll have to do some fixes for that. Being on a boat and a moving object causes issues. Go figure. But that's why I'm coding like this. Isn't that funny? But this issue I can fix. I just gotta figure out how my code would be the best way to do that. I think part of my issue. Oh. Wait. No, not the hierarchy. I organized the boat a little bit more so I can Have this be less cluttered. Yeah. Immersion! Can't be in here. But I'm interacting. Do you think I need to do that way down here? Else if not left mouse button and our object looking at is not equal to null. Go. That does anything. I executes a few times. Executing when I'm staring at it, but not. Is this whole thing wrapped in a physics-based thing? Does interaction get called? Yeah. Oh, if currently cooked item equals no, which is true. Okay. Well, that's fine. How many gets called? Yep. So why not work? If and as long as I'm not looting, and this if statement, yep. That's a really good guess. The player's physics don't change at all. It always is. It just moves, yeah. But if I disable the... I'm not sure what that bug is. That's not the bug I'm working on right now, but I'm not sure what that bug is all about. Let me disable the copy velocity. Oh, yeah, let me test it up here while I'm not enable it, and then I'll disable here and see what happens. And none of the stuff is coded to work on a ship yet, so. Yeah, if I'm not copying the velocity. If I do it now, enable it. Oops. Oh, yep. Hold on. It's disabled. Oh, it's enabled again. So let me enable it and then disable it. Disable it! Okay, it's disabled. Opening. Yeah, it's that code. I don't know why. Re-enable it. Oh. Yeah, I see. Could be. Good. That's a good idea. It takes my find out. I'm gonna see if I can do it again with it disabled, just make sure it is that. But you know what? Oh, wait a second. Yeah. Because when I open up my bag, there, when I open inventory, oh, let me get to that code here. When I open that up, I think I set the velocity. Where is it? Or not? What the fuck? You're running. Open up your bag. Let me check. Oh, you just can't move your player anymore. Something. Yeah, let me do your thing here. Oop. It like disables some things. Jump, but. Yep, so let's pick up a few things. Let's go ahead and pick up that. Pick up that, pick up that. Oh wait, shit. Yeah. That. I can't get that coin for some reason. Oops, I didn't mean to store that. There a... Oh, right down there. Okay. I got some coins in my bag. I have a sword. Go ahead and turn it on. Yeah. I don't know if it's going extra fast, but it's still happening the same. I disable that code and it doesn't do it. So something to do with this copy velocity code. It's not interacting well. Open up inventory. I'll have to. This code's like so old now at this point. I don't even remember how the hell the code is. So I'm gonna have to go through. But first, I'm gonna get the physics working. I'm gonna pick up an object and drop it. That. Because being able to interact with shit on your ship and things smoothly around is important. So. The player can move around smoothly and it feels nice. Oh. You wanna play anything? Waking up? Yeah, I'm down to play something. Just see if I can. I just know you decide. I think it just was too much on the table. Rise it up a little bit. And then, let me just do this real quick. Let's go. I can't remember this. Go. Oh, it did. Go! Oh, that's right. This is only executing. Let me restart that and take a look. Yeah, I don't mind. We can play whatever. You decide what we play, man. Yeah, you don't mind. It's not Trios Hunt. Well, it was. It was. I take full responsibility, yeah. Yeah, it's true. You're not wrong. Yeah, but it's duos. I'll add him. We can play Hunt. Shows up or something. We're so close to being out that game. I just want to beat it. I don't see why this code's only executing when I'm not holding down. Oh wait, that's... It shouldn't be executing when I'm looking at it. Oh, oh, wait, okay. Yeah, because this appears if... Yeah, if it hits something. No, wrong thing. Outlook check. Interaction. Interaction front. Bohemia interaction. So if left mouse button and current object looking at is not equal to null. The Sea of Thieves. Yeah. Oh, I could see that. Interaction. So if left mouse button and current object. Oh. Where do I have it when you grab the object from? Currently held object, currently held. Yeah, currently held item. There we go. That's what I'm looking for, front. Isn't it insane? Mm-hmm. They scare me. Hey, yeah, it's a camera, yeah. Yep. Yep. Well, that's only if you're looting. Yeah, this is inside currently looting. Alright. Alright. So how do, if not left mouse button, door. Where do I set this to null front? Where do I set this to null? This is in Lucky Group. Oh, here we are. That it? Almost got it. Monica's gonna be so proud of me. Gonna be so proud of me. Proud of me. I think I can do that. Panic false. There's okay. Now let's try. It worked! Yeah! They've got physics. Alright. Alright, you want to see it break immediately? Okay. Yeah, they're not set up at all to handle the ship interactions, but let's go. Let's watch them go flying. Let's enable the, there it is. Let's give us some speed. Engine power, 5. Engine bias, 1. This is, I got from somewhere this one here. Okay, they're handling it better than I thought they would, to be honest. Oop! Whoa! I'm just gonna move this over here to this shelf and, whoop! Oh, I'm not copying the velocity either. Oh no! Everything's falling apart. Oh, I am. Oh shit. There's some issues happening when you carry things. Whoa! Oh, the coin's pushing me. That was, yeah. They were pushing me. Oh no. Yep. All fixable, but. Oh, whoa. Got some interesting issues happening here, Frankie. Right? That copy velocity script is having some issues. Having some. So it's going. Oh no. I don't even have a back. I don't have anything equipped. I don't know why it's pushing me like that. Why? Ah! The water. Happy boat. Actually, don't know why it's the camera get. Oh, this was the game starts to break. All right, that's good enough for now. This will work later. I'm gonna keep working on the items. Okay, let me. I lied to you. I want to see if that happens if I'm just standing normally. Oh, that's right. I remember now. I remember now. Pretty sure I'm gonna test it right now. That I have different scripts to add velocity of one that I made and one that they have. I think the one they have doesn't add force. It like moves it by setting its position constantly, which is a terrible way to do it. I don't like that. So if I do mine that adds speed with force, then I think it works better. As soon as it's to wake up. Load. Okay. Oop. Yeah, I think that's the. I think that's was the problem. But this will still be broken though. That's okay, that's to be expected, but it's not as bad because yeah, that's actually using real physics to move these things around. Uh-huh. That's why I was going flying, because their script sets the position, which the physics. How do I explain this? Frank, I have to paint this for you. So I understand better. Okay. So, happening is when you have a physics. The green thing is the physics. Oh. Green thing is the physics of an object. And when you set position, how the way Unity works, if you set a position, say I want to move this forward, I want to move it over here now. Right. The physics object moves there. It doesn't just move the collider, it like interpolates, because what I have on the ship is interpolation. If I did none, then it would just teleport, but since I have interpolation on, it is suddenly going really fast in that new position. So that's probably why that was freaking out. But I'm doing add force, which add force does a little bit at a time every frame instead, which makes it much more smooth. Magic. Yeah. Add some wind in them just before I sign off. There we go. There they are. Let's add some random acceleration here. Every direction. Yeah, I might move that up here. I don't know. Can't see shit. That's where it is on real ships. So I know it would not be realistic, but I think up here would be better. But that's like a gentle breeze. Yeah. You need people in the front, yeah. You need to be able to, and you'd be going slow enough where you could, yeah, you'd be going slow enough where you could actually move around. I don't think I'm ever going to give the sails actual physics so they don't block you or anything. Oh shit, I gotta figure out that bug. Oh, it's unloading that terrain, I see. More wind! Yeah, it's getting there. Yeah, it's gonna be a lot of fun. Even these ropes, I want to get like moving a little bit and. Yeah, that'd be fun. Yeah, yeah. Be cool. That up there, I have to pin it down to the right a little bit. Yeah, like this one is technically, it can allow some stretching, but it's pinned down, which I'm really putting too much force into it, stretching it. Yeah. The problem is that one thing that for cloth with this acceleration is world coordinates. So if I rotate the ship, it changes, so I have to have math that translate it all, but I don't have math brain right now, or code to do that. I'll do that later. He would. Yep. Much. Yep, that's the problem.